If you've been thinking about starting a home yoga practice, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to start a home yoga practice. So I'm Karin from Karinyogalife, and I am a certified yoga teacher based in Kingston, Jamaica. I am also the founder of Bloom, which is an online yoga and wellness membership for women over 40. So a little bit about me. I've had various different joint issues, back pain, hip pain, knee pain. I was a modern dancer for many years, and I did a number on my hips and my knees. So I know about joint pain. And I found that doing a consistent yoga practice at home really helped me to manage my joint pain. So I'm going to give you 5 tips to get you started. Number 1. Start with something really small. So start with something so easy, so small that you can't not do it. Now, when I was trying to start my practice, I literally started with one pose. Seriously, one pose took me like 20 seconds. I did mountain pose for 20 seconds, and that's how I started. I just showed up, did one pose, and that was my practice. So my first tip for you is to start with something so ridiculously small that you can't not do it, like literally one pose. So my second tip is that once you've gotten in the habit of doing one pose, just add on another. So you're literally doing 2 poses. So you're doing one pose and then you're adding on another. So the whole practice may literally take you 1 minute, but that's okay. All you're doing is doing 1 minute of yoga to start out to get yourself in the habit of doing a home yoga practice. Third tip is to create a yoga space. So it's a great idea to carve out a space somewhere in your house where you can leave your mat laid out, or you can create a little yoga sanctuary for yourself. Maybe you have a plant or a candle or your yoga prop set up. But see if you can create a little space for yourself that is your space, for your mat where you do your yoga practice. So that's the third tip. Create a little yoga sanctuary for yourself. Tip number 4, see if you can commit to a specific time. So for me, I like to start my day doing some movement. So literally 8 o'clock every morning, I do my yoga practice. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes it's 15 minutes. So see if you can commit to a specific time of the day that you do your yoga. Doesn't really matter when, but see if you can commit to a specific time, and maybe every day, or if you can't manage every day, a couple times a week. But consistency is really key when it comes to yoga. You want to see if you can have a consistent time and consistent place for you to be doing your practice. And then lastly, tip number 5, don't stress it. Seriously, don't stress it. If you miss a day or you miss a yoga practice, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Just get back onto it the next day. So those are my 5 tips for you. Number 1, start with one pose. Number 2, add on. Number 3, create a yoga space for yourself. Number 4, commit to a time if you can, the same time every time. And number 5, don't stress it. So those are my 5 tips, and to help you, I'm inviting you to my morning movement with Karin. It's a free 15-minute class that I do every weekday morning at 8 a.m. Central Time. You can sign up just using the link below. So that'll help you to get into the habit of doing your yoga practice every morning with me live at 8 o'clock Central Time, which is 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So I hope to see you. I hope this helped. And let me know by leaving your comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon.